recording right now.
Test. Seesaws with the seashore.
Nailed it. I don't know if you can hear that.
Good morning. Welcome to Hallett Motor Racing Circuit.
Why is it that all motorsports have to start at the ass crack of dawn? What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the absolutely amazing Hallett Motor Racing Circuit here. I think we're in Jennings, Oklahoma. This place is just, I mean, it's magical. Yeah, so it's race day here with, I think it's the 8th round of the CMRA Championship. You know me, I'm doing the Grom challenge. I'm doing one of the 300 races. A little bit later in the day, me and a couple of my buddies, Glenn and Carl, we're gonna be racing a Ninja 250 in a 6-hour endurance. So I think it's gonna be a pretty good weekend. Like always, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you enjoy motorcycles, racing, content like this, consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, now I'm gonna cut to some B-roll because that's what I do. We're gonna get out on the track because it's so fun. Good job, bud. That was awesome. So you're going like 30%?
No, maybe
15? Such a jerk. All right, time to get ready for the 300 race. Grom race is a blast, but you know, 300 is where it's at. It's the next day. So racing is officially over. And before I end the video, just want to give you a real quick recap of kind of what the weekend had in store. Did the Grom challenge, had a lot of fun with it. As you saw, I was battling out with Josiah, and I say I was battling it out with him, but he was just sandbagging so that he could get good footage. I wasn't actually racing him, but a really awful thing, Josiah forgot his transponder, so I technically won the race. Now, I get the points, I'll take it, but I don't really accept the first because that was my first place finish, and I do not want it to come like that. Yeah, but the Grom race was an absolute blast. Moved on from the Grom race, got a little bit of footage from, I think it was 300 Superstock. I can never remember if it's Superstock or Superbike, but the 300 race. I started position 2 in the novice class, and then I just got swallowed up. We got some really fast folks here, and I got swallowed up and ultimately came in 6th, which I'll take because it still keeps me in the points for a potential top 3 in the championship overall. So technical first in the Grom challenge, I'm gonna call it a second. 6th place in the 300 race, and then we moved on to the 6-hour endurance on the Ninja 250. Me, Carl, and Glenn, we got out there. Carl started the race and he pitted about hour and 15 minutes in, and he was saying that the bike was having some issues shifting, and we just kind of rolled with it. Glenn went out for his stint, same thing, issues with the transmission, wasn't shifting well. And then I went out for my stint and essentially blew the transmission up. So we had a motorcycle that was stuck in 4th gear, and only 4th gear. We could only use 4th gear for 4 hours of a 6-hour endurance race. I heard from multiple people as we were coming down the front straight, they were like, my God, just shift the bike. Well, there's the excuse. We couldn't shift the bike. We didn't have the gears. We brought the 6-hour endurance home in 3rd place. It was so much fun. I love being able to be out there with some really good friends of mine, and you know, just turning laps, getting better as you go. But yeah, that pretty much ends this one. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. All right, with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.